A very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is gravity, the silent pulse of the cosmos and the soul. Ladies and gentlemen, unseen, unheard, and yet omnipresent, gravity is the silent breath of existence. It neither declares its presence nor demands attention, yet everything in creation moves under its invisible guidance. From galaxies spinning in the majestic spirals to a leaf falling gently to the earth, gravity orchestrates the cosmic rhythm with effortless grace. It is not merely a physical force, but a profound expression of balance and harmony, quietly binding space, time, matter, and energy into one unified reality. It holds within its silence both the vastness of the universe and the intimacy of life itself. In simplest words, science describes gravity as the force that pulls objects with mass towards one another. It holds planets in orbit, gathers matter to form stars, and gives weight to every object on Earth. Yet, even today, gravity's full origin remains one of the great mysteries. Unlike the other known forces, gravity resists a complete explanation within quantum physics. As modern science searches for a unifying answer, ancient Vedic wisdom had long spoken of Ratha, the cosmic order that ensures harmony in the universe. Gravity may well be its physical reflection. Since the first instant after the Big Bang, gravity has been the master architect. It gathered particles from the newborn universe, forming the first stars and galaxies. It brought together the building blocks of solar systems, allowing planets like Earth to emerge, cradling the possibility of life. In its most extreme form, gravity collapses massive stars into black holes, regions where space and time themselves are distorted beyond comprehension. And yet, gravity also carries gentle whispers across the cosmos. Gravitational waves, ripples in space-time, recently detected, opening a new window to observe the universe's distant past. Gravity is not just out there, it is within each one. The human body has evolved entirely under its constant pull. Bones grow strong to bear its force. Muscles are shaped to work against it. The heart pumps blood upward against gravity's resistance. In space, where gravity weakens, muscles shrink, bones lose density, and circulation struggles, reminding how deeply life depends on its embrace. Even the mind responds. A sense of balance, emotional stability, and orientation in space are all tied to gravity. It regulates sleep-wake cycles, influences mood, and centers mental clarity. In its silent pull, gravity becomes both a physical anchor and a psychological stabilizer, quietly supporting human wellness every moment. Yet, beyond biology, gravity offers a deeper teaching. While the universe expands outward, gravity reminds life to stay anchored, to remain centered amidst the vast unknown. Gravity, though familiar, remains one of science's greatest open questions. But within this mystery lies great promise. For example, space travel, mastering gravity's subtleties, may enable faster journeys across vast cosmic distances. Artificial gravity, essential for future space colonies, preserving human health far away from Earth. Gravitational waves, offering glimpses into ancient cosmic events, collisions of black holes, and the births of galaxies. And lastly, unified physics. A full understanding may one day unlock a single grand theory explaining all forces in nature. What's the way forward? Gravity teaches in silence. It pulls but allows freedom within its pull. It binds yet permits motion. In this, it becomes a metaphor for human existence, where ambition rises but must remain grounded, where progress unfolds but balance sustains it. As future discoveries unfold, humanity's task is not merely to conquer gravity, but to listen and to understand the cosmic wisdom it silently offers. Gravity may be more than a force. It may be a subtle current of the divine cosmic energy itself, flowing through every corner of existence. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, in the Bhagavad Gita, Lord Krishna offers a glimpse into this very mystery. By a single fragment of myself, I support this entire universe, yet remain beyond it all. Gravity reflects this eternal truth. It sustains planets, stars, and life, yet remains unseen. It humbles science, yet awakens wonder. In contemplating gravity, one glimpses not merely a physical force, but the delicate unity of existence itself, a silent whisper of the divine cosmic intelligence, inviting every soul to live grounded, balanced, and in harmony with the great design of the cosmos. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.